Today we're discussing a crucial topic: first aid for a dog bite. Knowing how to handle this can prevent complications and speed up recovery. If you or someone else gets bitten by a dog, stay calm. Keep the person calm and reassured to prevent panic and further injury. Gently wash the bite area with soap and water for at least 5 minutes. This helps remove bacteria and reduces the risk of infection. If the wound is bleeding, use a clean cloth or bandage to apply pressure. This will help stop the bleeding and stabilize the injury. Apply an antibiotic ointment to the wound to prevent infection. This is a crucial step in ensuring the wound heals properly. Use a sterile bandage to cover the wound. Keeping it covered helps protect it from dirt and bacteria, promoting faster healing. It's crucial to see a doctor, especially if the bite is deep, the dog is unknown, or if the bite area shows signs of infection like redness, swelling, or pus. Ensure the dog's rabies vaccination is up to date. This is vital for preventing potential rabies transmission. Dog bites can be serious, so always take them seriously. Stay safe and subscribe for safety tips.